First, proud to be manager of my nation and excited, a little bit nervous, but can't wait to get going. I was fortunate to play for my country many times and to captain my country as well, so excited to work with this great group of players who obviously over the last few years have had so much success and brought so much pride to the nation. And I just want to carry on the good work that Cookie did. I want to fill stadiums, I want to excite the Welsh fans and make them proud of their national team. Well, first and foremost, I want to be a winner. You know, I was a winner as a player, I want to be a winner as a manager. I've been in the player's position, you know, I've played for my country, so I know what's at stake. My teams will be prepared right, play exciting football and winning football. You know, I had many high points and many low points. I think that the high point was my full debut. To play in my hometown against Belgium and to score as well against a very good Belgium team. I would say that was my high point. Being captain as well was a massive achievement for myself as well. My full debut and scoring my debut was amazing. I was in France, I was in Paris during the Euros, and how I felt was pride and just a fan really, just enjoying the ride like everyone else in the country. Just watching that group of players excite the Welsh nation, and that's what I intend to do. I intend to carry that feel-good factor that we've got at the moment. Even though we didn't qualify for the World Cup, there's still that feel-good factor around Welsh football, and I want to take it on to the next level, and you know, I'll do everything I can to achieve that. Get these players back to the Euros and also the World Cup. You know, we've not been to the World Cup since 1958, so on the world stage, because that's where every player wants to be. I didn't make it as a player, but you know, I want to make it as a manager. Support myself and the team. I'll give everything that I've got, like I've always done. And me and my staff will work as hard as we can, make the fans proud of the national team. We want to get that feeling back because, like I said, as a fan in France, it was amazing, and it's a feeling that we want to get again.